So we are planting, 144 a variety of different peppers right now. And so the garden of Treatz is very active. And so make sure you like and subscribe to the video to make sure you stay up to date on what we got going on. And you also can go to the description and go to visit our website and learn more about the Love Always Foundation and become a member to help us continue to grow. Ucha.
As you know, we created a journal for all of our planting so that we can have some research for next year. So today we are planting sweet banana peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, or I think we're doing habanero instead of Scotch bonnet, jalapeno peppers, red pepper, a bell pepper, cubanelle, cayenne, and a purple beauty pepper. And so in our bag, we have our seeds. These three, cayenne, cubanelle, and purple beauty, we purchased from Ohio heirloom seeds. We have bell peppers that we collected ourselves that can be purchased on lovealwaysfoundation.org. We have some red Jupiter peppers that we purchased. We have a jalapeno pepper. And this is our Scotch bonnet pepper. It's actually a aji chumbo pepper. It says that it's comparable to Scotch bonnet, but more flavor and more in forward heat. So we got this from Baker Creek heirloom seeds. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have sweet banana pepper. So our seeding trays that we received as a donation, they do not have watering trays for the bottom. So instead of purchasing watering trays, we have these starter pots that we already had, and we're using aluminum pans for the bottom.
It's been brisky to bear out here lately, and so we left our soil outside, and now it's a little frozen. And so next time we got to be a little more prepared so our soil isn't frozen, so we can get started with these seedlings.
So we set up stations. Here you can see the girls are filling up the pots with soil. Next, I sat the seeds on top of the soil because it was really hard to make holes because the soil was frozen. And then I topped off each pot with soil.
Which pepper are you planting now?
Bell peppers.
Bell peppers. Ooh, I love me some bell peppers.
And these are garden of Treatz bell peppers.
Okay, so these are peppers that we harvest from our previous garden, and you know we saved them seeds, and so now we re-rocking them again. So this would be the second generation of those peppers.
And you can purchase those seeds.
You can go to the lovealwaysfoundation.org website, and you can purchase you some seeds. You can sign up and get you a membership to be a part of building the blocks of the Love Always Foundation, and keep up and see what we got going on next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So over here in this station, she is planting the pepper seeds. These are cubanelle peppers and watering them in nicely. And so we're going to do eight 8 of these silver trays, and each one of these has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and each of them have 2 seeds in them, so there's 16 pepper seeds in each of these container sets.
We finished the trays off by watering them.
And this is the 144th seed that has been planted and going on to the racks that we made. Ooh, right there in that sunlight. Wow. Ooh wee. Say ooh wee. Yeah. You love your peppers. You got a video on YouTube of you chewing on peppers as a teether. Whoa, 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 young one, yo. Back it on up.
So I decided to add another column for the germination. So basically this is just the date of when our seeds decide to sprout. So I just want to have this date in the future for our own records, just to know when the plants should be sprouting. Here is how our growing room is looking. So the aluminum trays are the peppers we just planted. The other trays are the onions. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.